Hey guys, let's make some Laos curry chicken noodle soup, also known as Khao Poon. Happy Saturday, cheers, let's go! My main ingredients I'm using today is the Trader Joe's Thai style red curry sauce, the Ninja Foods papaya sauce, coconut milk, and peanut butter. I'm using my Instant Pot to cook my chicken leg quarter. It's faster and it keeps my chicken pretty moist. I also added 2 cubes of chicken bouillon with 2 liters of water. I'm going to pressure cook it for 3 minutes and natural release for 9 minutes. I'm cutting my shallot. You can also use an onion, but I just chose the shallot. I am now sauteing my garlic, shallot, and I also have lime leaves that I keep in the freezer. If you don't have it, that's okay. I just put it in there for the extra flavoring. I boiled my noodles, and then I also boiled my bamboo in a separate pot. Here I'm sauteing my mix, and I added 1/8 cup of peanut butter. Peanut butter makes your curry really creamy. I actually learned that recently, and it actually does make a big difference. So if you like curry, try peanut butter in it and you'll see the major difference. You want to make sure that the saute is evenly coated with the onion, the garlic, and the lime leaf. And I went ahead and added my full jar of the red curry sauce, the Trader Joe sauce, and I mixed it in really well. Once you have a really good mixture, I'll go ahead and tell you my secret ingredient that I add, which is 1/4 cup of the Ninja papaya salad sauce. It really adds that extra kick that you need. As you guys saw, I took the chicken leg quarter out of the broth so I can let it cool and I can cut it for later. I went ahead and added my bamboo and my quail egg in the soup broth, and now is the fun part, adding the Khao Poon mixture in the broth and letting it simmer. It smells so good, guys, I promise you. Here I am cutting my chicken, but it kind of got difficult, so I just started hand shredding it, which was so much easier. However you want to do it though. After I finished hand shredding the chicken, I put it in a bowl so I could smash it. It definitely tenderizes the meat for you to put back in your soup broth. Here is the meat that I smashed. That's what she said. Oops. Alright, my soup is ready to eat. If you guys could smell the fragrance of this dish, it was wonderful. I like adding bamboo and quail egg because those are my favorite things to have in a soup. Of course, I gotta have some lime to top it off. Khao Poon is one of my favorite dishes to eat. I've loved it since I was a child. It's one of my favorite pastime noodle dishes. I like noodles in general, but definitely this was very healthy for me to make. The traditional way is a little bit more thicker just because of the coconut, but I reduced it so I can make it, lighter. And I approve. And I hope you guys do too if you make this recipe. Cheers, and stay tuned for more recipes. Bye!